Hello everyone. Are you encountering the dreaded java.io.FileNotFoundException, open failed, EACCES, permission denied, error while developing Android apps? This video will help you understand why this happens. We'll also cover how to fix it. This is a common issue, especially when dealing with file storage. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the problem. Android's security model is quite strict. Applications need proper permissions to access external storage. The EACCES, permission denied, error simply means your app doesn't have the permission to access the file or directory. Now, let's discuss the solutions. There are two main ways to grant your app the necessary permissions. The first method involves requesting runtime permissions. This is the preferred way for newer Android versions, Android 6.0 Marshmallow and above. You need to add the necessary permissions to your AndroidManifest.xml file. Use the uses permission tag. For example, to access external storage, you would add uses permission Android name equals Android.permission.read_external_storage / and uses permission Android name equals Android.permission.write_external_storage /. However, adding the permission to the manifest is not enough for runtime permissions. You must also request the permission from the user at runtime. This can be done using the ActivityCompat.requestPermissions method. Check if the permission is already granted using contextCompat.checkSelfPermission. If the permission is not granted, you should display a dialog explaining why your app needs the permission. Handle the result in the onRequestPermissions result callback. Check if the user granted the permission. If they did, you can proceed with file access. If not, you should inform the user that the feature will be limited. The second method is for older Android versions, API level 22 and below. In this case, adding the permissions to the AndroidManifest.xml file is usually sufficient. However, you might still face issues if the file or directory has incorrect permissions. Make sure the file is readable and writable by your app. You can check the file permissions using a File Explorer app. Another common mistake is using the wrong file path. Double-check that the file path you're using is correct. Use Environment.getExternalStorageState to get the root directory of external storage. Remember to append the correct path to your file. Finally, ensure that the external storage is mounted. You can check the storage state using Environment.getExternalStorageState. If the state is not environment.media_mounted, you cannot access external storage. Check if an SD card is properly inserted, if applicable. I hope this video has helped you resolve the java.io.FileNotFoundException error. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me create more helpful content. Consider sharing this video with other developers who might be facing the same issue. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, if you want to see more content like this, let me know what topics you're interested in.